A man joins a video call with his boss. He can see his boss's face. He can hear his boss's voice. His colleagues are on the call too, talking, smiling, asking questions. The boss gives him an instruction: transfer $25 million. The man does it. Here is the problem. His boss was not on that call. His colleagues were not on that call. Every single person he saw was created by artificial intelligence. None of them were real.
Welcome to Learn English and More. I'm Emma, he's Tom. Today, the scariest true story of the AI age.
The deepfake that stole $25 million. Let's go.
Tom, where did this happen?
Hong Kong, early 2024. A large international company. The victim was a finance worker, a normal person doing a normal job. Let's call him the clerk.
And how did it start?
With an email. The clerk received a message from the company's chief financial officer, the CFO, who worked in the London office. The email said, "We are preparing a secret transaction, very confidential. I need your help."
A secret transaction. That sounds suspicious.
And the clerk thought it was suspicious. He doubted the email.
Doubt. To doubt means to not be sure, to think something might not be true. We say, "I doubt this is real." She had doubts about the plan. The clerk doubted the email. He thought it might be fraud. And fraud. We know this idea from our hacker episode. Fraud is the crime of deceiving people to take their money. The clerk was smart. He was careful. He suspected fraud.
So the criminals did something nobody expected. They said, "Fine, don't trust the email. Join a video call. See us with your own eyes."
And he joined the call?
He joined the call. And on his screen, he saw the CFO. The face was right. The voice was right. The accent, the way of speaking, the small movements of the head. Everything was right. And the CFO was not alone. Several other colleagues were on the call too. People the clerk recognized. People he had seen in meetings before.
But they were all fake?
All of them. Every face, every voice, generated by artificial intelligence.
Artificial. Made by humans or machines. Not natural. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a computer system that can learn and create. We say artificial light, artificial flowers, artificial intelligence. The faces on that call were artificial, created by a computer.
The criminals had studied real videos of the CFO and the colleagues, company presentations, online interviews, social media videos. The AI learned each person's face, voice, and movements. Then it created digital copies.
This is called a deepfake, a fake video or voice that looks and sounds genuine. Genuine, real, true, not fake. We say a genuine diamond, a genuine smile. Is this painting genuine? The opposite of fake. The deepfakes looked completely genuine, and that was the danger.
On the call, the fake CFO spoke directly to the clerk. The fake colleagues nodded and agreed. They discussed the secret transaction like a normal business meeting.
They could impersonate real people. Live? Impersonate. To pretend to be another person. To copy someone's identity. We say the criminal impersonated a police officer. He was arrested for impersonating a doctor. The AI impersonated the CFO so perfectly that a careful, intelligent worker believed it.
And that is what convinced him.
Convince. To make someone believe something. We say, she convinced me to come. The evidence convinced the judge. The video call convinced the clerk that everything was real. His doubts disappeared. So what happened next?
The clerk followed the instructions. Over the next days, he made 15 transfers to 5 different bank accounts. In total, 200 million Hong Kong dollars, about 25 million US dollars.
25 million.
And here is the painful part. The fraud was discovered only later, when the clerk mentioned the transaction to the company's head office, the real head office. The real CFO said, "What transaction? I never asked for any transfer."
Imagine that moment, realizing that everyone on that call was a ghost.
A digital ghost, created to deceive.
Deceive. To make someone believe something false. To trick them. We say he deceived his customers. Appearances can deceive. Stronger and more serious than trick. The criminals deceived the clerk using his own eyes and ears against him.
The money was gone, moved through many accounts very fast, just like in our hacker story. The police investigated, but the criminals were professionals. They knew how to disappear.
Tom, this is terrifying. If we cannot trust our own eyes, how do we protect ourselves?
One word: verify.
Verify. To check if something is true. We say, please verify your email address. The bank verified my identity. Verification is your shield in the digital world.
Security experts say, if someone asks you for money or passwords, even if you see them on video, verify through a different channel. Call them on the phone number you already know. Send a message on a different app. Ask a question only the real person can answer.
And identity. Who a person really is. Their name, their face, their history. We say, the police checked his identity. Identity theft is a serious crime. In the AI age, protecting your identity and verifying other people's identity is a daily skill.
Remember, a face on a screen is no longer proof. A voice on a phone is no longer proof. Verify. Always verify.
Now, let's play. 2 truths and a lie.
3 facts about deepfakes and AI. 2 are true. 1 is a lie. Which one? Fact 1. Today, an AI needs only a few seconds of your voice, from a video or voicemail, to create a copy of your voice that can say anything. Fact 2. Scammers have used AI deepfakes of famous people like Elon Musk to promote fake investments, and people sent millions of dollars. Fact 3. Deepfake videos always have a small red dot in the corner of the screen, so you can easily recognize them.
Which is the lie? Think carefully. Here is the answer.
Fact 1. A few seconds of your voice is enough. True. Modern voice cloning needs very little audio. This is why phone scams with fake family voices are growing. Fact 2. Fake celebrity videos stole millions. True. Deepfakes of Elon Musk and other famous people have promoted fake crypto schemes. In one case, a fake video stream got 100,000 viewers. Fact 3. The red dot. The lie. There is no automatic mark on deepfakes. No red dot, no warning sign. That is exactly why they are so dangerous. The only protection is your own doubt and verification.
Did you guess it? Tell us in the comments. Now, today's 10 powerful words. Say them with me.
Fake. Not real. Made to deceive.
Artificial. Made by humans or machines. Not natural.
Identity. Who a person really is.
Verify. To check if something is true.
Convince. To make someone believe something.
Impersonate. To pretend to be another person.
Genuine. Real. True. Not fake.
Deceive. To make someone believe something false.
Fraud. The crime of deceiving people to take their money.
Doubt. To not be sure if something is true. 10 words for the AI age. You will need all of them.
That was the story of the AI that stole $25 million. A video call full of ghosts. A careful man deceived by his own eyes. And one lesson for all of us. Verify. Always verify.
We have a free PDF lesson guide for you. All the words, the story, exercises, and a quiz. Click the link in the pinned comment below. It's yours forever.
Subscribe, and we'll see you next time with a new story.
Goodbye, my friend. And if your boss calls you on video asking for money, call them back on the real number.